it up. The old 2-wrench trick. It's one of the first things they teach you in tech schools. And I only did it so tight because I'm going to be running air tools. I have a couple of ratchets and stuff. It'd be nice to run them for doing under the hood and stuff. I'm just putting away the tools. That's how a good mechanic handles his tools. He puts them back. You know what you do with this tape? You put that stuff right back. Oop. There we go. And let me just roll this up real fast. Put these tools back. Another hose reel I just got. You guys can't see in here, but the stuff's all messy, but we're getting her cleaned up. Believe it or not, I've actually cleaned up quite a bit of stuff in there. Oops. So now I should just be able to take a little bit of this hose here. And this end I can stick it right in here. That's on. And this end's the business end, as we like to call it. Although I haven't used this hose in a while. What we're having is a couple of low tires. We're gonna get them pumped up. This one's low, I know. This one's low, I know. Shove that in there so it's not full of snow. Oh, we'll walk down here and get his situation looked at. I think tomorrow I'm gonna come and fire the tractor up and just get her warmed up, probably move her closer to the shop. I want to kind of start doing a couple of things to it. And yeah, there's some water around. Looks like Angus has been getting a little nasty, huh? Oh boy, you're a little mucky boy, huh? It's a wet willy out. Well, that happens, snow melts. Speaking of snow melting, there's a lot of grass hanging out here, Angus. What you been doing? You're looking good. We'll go ahead and get him some food. Come on, old buddy. Massey got a good bath. All that melted snow. Kind of tracks here. Looks like turkey to me. Could be wrong. Snow goes on and on. I heard some chickens. I did hear some chickens. But, alright, it's getting too dark for the camera, so hope y'all like and sub. Thank you.